Simply amazing. There is rain, but sun too. So both things are happening together. Wow. So it happens in Muscat. There is sun, but there is rain too. और ये तेज, बहुत तेज रेन हो गया भाई. So fast. Wow. So this rain is just amazing, huh? People are running out. Now the sun has gone. Have you been through such rain with sun in Kerala, India?
Occasionally.
Occasionally.
Yeah.
So there will be some rainbow, I think, here too. If you guys want to see some rainbow, there will be some rainbow because rain is there already with the sun. So in Oman, it's very not so common, but in other countries might be. The rain is end now, huh?
Happens in Pakistan also, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but more so.
उसमें रेनबो आता है.
Yes.
ऐसे वजह चीज में रेनबो ज्यादा आता है.
So there will be rainbow too, right? But yeah, it's really amazing. See, just check out how the things are moving, huh?
मैंने WhatsApp में किया था.
Amazing.
Oh, what is this? Sand raining.
Yes.
I will bring my phone to take some photos.
Please.